Are you considering starting a company in one of the United Arab Emirates free zones and securing a residence permit? Let's explore the process of obtaining a business residence visa. In the UAE, you have the option to either establish a new company or invest in an existing one. It's worth noting that your company doesn't necessarily need to conduct commercial activities within the territory of the free zone. With over 40 free zones to choose from, each offering unique advantages, you have the flexibility to select the one that best suits your business needs. Plus, companies operating within free zones are tax exempt, although their scope of business is typically limited to within the free zone or international markets. Once your company is established or shares are acquired, it can sponsor your visa. This visa is valid for up to 3 years with unlimited renewability, provided you maintain ownership of capital shares and visit the country at least once every 100 days. This visa grants you the right to reside in any of the 7 Emirates. However, all government-related matters must be addressed in the state where your UAE residence visa is issued. Moreover, once you've obtained your visa, you can extend the same privilege to your family members. They may apply for a 3-year visa, renewable, provided you can demonstrate family ties and meet the financial requirements. While there's no permanent residence visa available, requiring renewal every 3 years, this visa doesn't lead to citizenship. You'll need various documents, such as a no criminal record certificate, health insurance, medical test results, and company incorporation documents, among others. Notably, there are no officially restricted nationalities, but dual citizenship isn't recognized in the UAE. Whether you're an entrepreneur looking to expand your business horizons or seeking a new adventure in the vibrant Emirates, the Business Residence Visa offers a pathway to realize your aspirations.